Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to our channel. If today is your first time of stopping by to this channel, please consider yourself subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that each time we upload a video you will be the first to get a video. And for our returning subscribers and the viewer, thank you very much once again for watching. So in today's video we'll be eating starch with black soup. This food is very delicious, guys, trust me on this one. If you haven't taken a try before, just take a try. You go to see it tastes good and it's cool. So with that being said, guys, let's dive into the video. Let's demolish this food because I can't wait to finish this food. So guys, we started. Damn, this is great, man. Nice one. Whoa, man. You know, black soup is one of our best soup. It tastes good and it has some I don't know. It has good taste and it's very good for the system. Sometimes when you feel stomach ache, you can take black soup and to go. Sorry, guys. Well, it's cool. Wow. Wow. This is starch, guys. Guys, don't mind me when I'm eating. I don't drink water. Till when the food is finished, that is when I drink water. Okay, that is how I roll. So, guys, guys, it's delicious. I told you, huh? So delicious. And I don't like eating, and I'll be taking. I don't like eating. I'll be eating fish. I don't like it because I don't like when I'm eating. I get stain like soup in my hand. I don't like it. So that is why I prefer finish eating before drinking water and eating the fish and the meat. That's my style, guys. That's how it is. Wow. So guys, I cannot drink water. Wow. Yeah. Wow. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much for watching. We love you. Bye bye.